Hey guys, Campbell's Car Show here. One of the biggest car shows of the year today. Yeah, everyone's up here. What's up, Dylan? Where's Jace at?
Can I get him?
Jace! Jace just got his truck done last week. Why don't you come over here and tell us about your truck now?
Well, rebuilt the old tranny in here. Slapped some 33 full 50s on
Look
her.
at that.
Changed all the seals and gaskets underneath. All the fluids. It's all right from the mud now.
Full 9 yards, eh?
Oh
We got the Jolly Green Giant.
yeah. Can't forget this guy here. Hey, shut the door here. You guys, shut the door off. Come on now.
Typical beefy
Makes the truck
tires.
look smaller, stand next to it.
Yeah, there you go. Parsons, keep standing there.
Holy
Yeah, make you look
Christ.
big.
Look at that. We got the Brake Brothers over here. We got some potato olays.
We got some Mountain Dew.
You
Some of the best stuff ever.
USA.
Product placement. Check them out, guys.
This is a typical car show today. What are we doing here, Mac?
Plugs and wires, and then EGR valve cleanout.
That sounds fun.
Gotta get the daily.
Yeah.
It's been running rough.
Oh, Olay brake. There you go.
Oh. Got someone in your car. Where?
Yeah. Beautiful day out in northern Minnesota. We got Feltus, Nelson. What's up?
Not much.
What are you doing?
I don't know right now. Nothing.
Car show?
Absolutely nothing.
Car show. A lot of car shows today. Look at all that. That's pure car show.
I'm here to just.
Oh, there's a little in this door too.
Nelson's just brought this up for a car show too.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. What are we doing today, Dylan?
Trying to figure out what the hell is up in my front. Yeah. Can you turn the
Why? What's been going on?
I don't know. I keep getting this pop from my front axle. I don't know what it is. Every time it shifts into reverse or it's going into gear every now and then. I think I know what it is.
All right, let's go talk to Jack. He's here. All right, back here with Jack. He's sipping on some cheese. How's your turbo coming along there, Jack? Look at that.
Dude, why are you?
Part we ordered last week. What? Coming Friday, you said?
No, they sent me the wrong one again.
Oh.
So it was here.
Took calipers and checked that shit pretty cool. We had the wrong measurement.
Just sipping on cheese.
Dude, it's delicious. This is Mopar.
Well, you enjoy it. All right, you're with the Brake Brothers, Braden and Josh. What are we doing here?
Brake shit.
Not supposed to. No, we're just gonna put some double-sided tape on these ballasts so they actually stay and not flop around.
They sent me the wrong one again, so they went to a different
You have fun with
brand
that.
I ordered.
Already back here with Jolly Green Giant. Where are you going? No, come back.
Sorry, I swore.
Arsonist. God damn it. Whoa!
Shut up, Vaughn.
Car show! Just chilling there with his Dr. Pepper.
Should see what Barsis did at prom.
Oh, what'd you do at prom?
He stole 2 pizzas.
2 pizzas.
Yeah, he had it sat like this, walking out the pizzas.
He's pretty happy.
Yeah?
Should I go steal Vaughn's pulled there?
What are you doing then, Sorley? What's the? Why do you got the jack out here for?
This is fun.
Just to make it look like you're doing something?
Oh, he's gonna jack up his rear end.
Let's see it. Come on.
Come on, I'll help you out here.
We'll come back if he jacks it up.
I'm gonna measure and see how much
Well,
space removes.
tell that he likes the Mountain Dew SAs. Mountain Dew.
What are you doing?
All right, I'm here with Tyler Elliott. Have any updates on your car? Any recent
Blew
updates?
up,
Blew up.
timing belt snapped, piece of shit Audi.
What are we
Nothing
gonna do
else.
about it?
Probably scrap it, man. I'm not putting any money into that.
Plastic car though?
What?
It's like a plastic car practically.
The Audi?
Yeah.
It's a fucking yacht. The whole thing's steel. The whole thing weighs 4,000 pounds.
Why don't you just try to sell it?
I don't know. Maybe.
He's trading it for another.
Alrighty, and these next clips I have, these are from last week. I did not get to do a Campbell's Car Show last week, so I'm going to include these in these videos, so enjoy. Alright, back to Campbell's Car Show here. And we got Dylan. What are we doing here, Dylan?
Okay.
Isn't this like your second of the month?
I hit 3,000 miles. I do it when it comes up.
How much do you drive?
A lot.
Why? What do you do on your free time, Dylan?
Drive. Obviously.
Being a smart ass. That's fine though. That's okay. Alright, we're here with Nelson. What are we doing here, Nelson?
Plugs and coil tags and wires, all that good stuff.
That sounds fun. Is this an easy job or what?
I guess so, yeah.
So how many vehicles do you have, Nelson?
3.
What are
There's
they?
the Audi and the Beamer.
Audi, Beamer, and the truck.
I thought you were gonna sell the Beamer.
They're all for sale.
Alright, we're back with the Brake Brothers here, doing some pressure washing. Engine bay. Yeehaw. Whoa! Washing it up pretty good here.
Dude, this thing cannot be that powerful. There's fucking oil all over down here.
Josh had a little oil leak yesterday. Clean that up a bit. Dylan!
Are you eating again?
Gun full of Worcester. Get a good open lead. Another boring day in Campbell's Car Show.
Stop on walk the fridge.
What? There's one of the Brake Brothers right there. There goes Dylan with the car show himself. Nelson, pull up your pants.
You're being super provocative. Whoa.
Alright, we're still sitting here washing Josh's car. Oh, look at Mr. Jack himself. What do you gotta say, Jack? Putting in a turbo for the Volvo. Sarcastic comic.
You wanna come
loading.
check some fitment?
Please wait. Alright, let's go look at Jack's Volvo. Alright, we're here with Jack and his beautiful Volvo. Getting that turbo in. So how's it going so far, Jack?
Well, this is the last piece of pipe. I guess that's a plus.
It's been in here since Friday.
This is a 2-person thing. Can you just slide that on there with one hand? You gotta get that.
Alright, Dylan, how'd your oil change go?
I didn't get the filter.
Why?
I fucked up the logo. I'm not gonna say why. Just say I didn't read the check.
Well, you gotta do that from now on, Dylan. Hey, Jacob. Alright, back with Campbell's Car Show. Arsonist. What's going on in there? What are you guys doing?
Nothing.
Just chilling out?
Driving a stick.
Driving a stick, huh?
Driving a stick with something that I know how to do better.
What you gotta say, Arsonist?
Uh,
What?
nothing.
Oh, okay, alright. You guys have fun, okay? Not too much, though. What's up, Jace?
Not much.
Aight. Feltus, where are you going? What's up?
Not much. What?
How's your car?
It's fine. Why?
How are the tires?
It's fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
They didn't look too fine.
One's still bald, but who cares?
Why? Are you gonna get new tires?
No, probably not.
Woo! Right in. Brake brother right there. Brake brother right there. Greasy mofo right in the center. Elliot! What? Alright, I'm sitting here with Brake brother,
I need that.
Brake brother, and Joe. What are we doing here, Joe?
We're just hot wiring the old Acura today.
How's that going?
Pretty well. I can give a little example here.
It's right up.
Just dandy.
Push to start.
Was this your new ignition or what?
About to be.
All right, well, that's going to about do it for today's segment of Campbell's Car Show. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And always remember, don't be a car shower, be a car worker. Enjoy the day.